Now let us try to solve the following limits. Number 1, limit of x squared minus 6x minus 16 over x squared minus 4x minus 32. So initially, when we substitute 8, we get 8 squared minus 6 times 8 minus 16 all over 8 squared minus 4 times 8 minus 32. If you try solving this one, you'll find out that you will be getting an indeterminate of the form 0 over 0. So when we encounter limits like this, which become indeterminate, we try to simplify the given by finding common factors and canceling them. So we have limit of, so x squared minus 6x minus 16 may be factored as, or has the following factors. You have x plus 2 and x minus 8 over x squared minus 4x minus 32, on the other hand, will be factored as x minus 8 times x plus 4. And notice that we can cancel out x minus 8. So we are going to be left with x plus 2 over x plus 4 as x approaches 8. Substituting, we have 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 4 will be 12. And then if we simplify, we get 5 over 6. So the limit of x squared minus 6x minus 16 all over x squared minus 4x minus 32 as x approaches 8 is 5 over 6. So for number 2, we have limit of 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 as x approaches negative 1/2. When you substitute negative 1/2, you'll find out that you will again get an indeterminate of the form 0 over 0. When that happens, we have to simplify our function. So we factor 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. And the factors are 2x plus 1 and x minus 4. Then we have for the denominator, the factors are 2x plus 1 and x plus 1. As x approaches negative 1/2. So here, we cancel 2x plus 1. So we will be left with the limit of x minus 4 over x plus 1 as x approaches negative 1/2. So we substitute negative 1/2, we get negative 1/2 minus 4 over negative 1/2 plus 1. So this gives us negative 9 over 2 over 1 over 2. So we cancel 2, we get negative 9. So the limit of 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 as x approaches negative 1/2 is negative 9. Finally, we have the limit of 1 over x minus 1 over 10 all over 10 minus x as x approaches 10. When you substitute 10 on every x in the expression, you will be getting, again, an indeterminate of the form 0 over 0. So to simplify this one, what we are going to do would be to combine the fractions in the numerator, and the LCD will be 10x. So if we combine 1 over x minus 1 over 10, we will be getting 10 minus x over 10x all over 10 minus x as x approaches 10. Next, we simplify by multiplying 10 minus x over 10x by the reciprocal of its denominator, which is now 1 over 10 minus x as x approaches 10. So here, we cancel 10 minus x and we will be left with 1 over 10x as x approaches 10, to which we find that the limit is now 1 over 100. So when we substitute 10 to x, we get 1 over 10 times 10 or 1 over 100.